Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to change your address on AliExpress. Open AliExpress application on your device and then go to your account at the bottom side of your screen, and then in the top right corner you should see settings icon, and here at the top find shipping address. And here you can see your current shipping address, so you can edit it. Tap edit button, and here make some changes, and do not forget to save it. Save any changes, and you can also delete it. Simply mark it and press delete at the bottom, and also you can add a new address right here at the bottom. So fill in all the information and then press save button. So that's basically how you can change your address on AliExpress. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.